Anyways, let's get this started without any further ado. So I have developed this application myself with Python. So in order to run this, you obviously need to have Python installed on your computer, and I'm going to show you how to host this application by yourself, and how to use it, and how to ask your friends to use it, and how to basically make use of this Python application as a messenger, right? So let's get this started. Step 1. Setting up the server. So you first need to download the script from my GitHub page. The link will be in the description below. Once you download it, unzip it, and you can find two folders. One that says messenger_server and the other one that says messenger_client. You need to host the messenger_server on Google Cloud. So go to cloud.google.com and click on Get Started for free. You initially get a bonus of $300, which you can use for 1 whole year. So that means you will not be charged anything right now. Provide all the information that is asked there, and finally you will be asked to enter your billing details. Enter your card details here. Remember, you will not be charged anything at the moment. Also, you don't need to submit the correct card details here, as this is not a mandatory step and you can easily skip the verification process, but I recommend you to enter your correct card details so that your account will not be blocked for any reason. Once you are logged in, click on Compute Engine and then VM Instances. Click on Create a new instance. Give your instance a name and select a region which is geographically nearer to you and the people who will use this messenger. Select the machine type as micro. This reduces the cost, and honestly, micro is pretty much enough for this application to run. Set the boot disk as Debian GNU Linux 9 and finally click on Create. It may take some time to create the virtual machine instance. Now you need to open the ports for your instance so that your script can listen to these ports. Go to VPC Networks and click on Firewall Rules. Click on the rule that says Default LO/SSH and select Edit. Change the description to LO All or Required Ports. Scroll down and in the Protocols and Ports section, select LO All Ports. Make sure the target is set to all instances. Finally, click on Save. Go back to your VM instance page and click on SSH. This will open a browser-oriented SSH window which looks like this. Go to the official installation page of pip and execute the given two commands one by one. First one to download getpip.py and the second one to install pip. You're almost done. Now you need to install the external modules that are required to run the server script. Go to the README file on my GitHub page and you can see the installation guide. Under server, you can see that the required module is PyCrypto. To install it, copy and paste each command mentioned there one by one. Don't forget to use sudo so that you run these commands as root. Now it's time to finally run your messenger_server script. Click on the gear icon and upload the two script files that are available under the messenger_server folder which you recently downloaded from my GitHub page. Once the upload is done, type sudo nohub python messenger_server.py --. This will run the script forever in the background. You can now close the SSH window. Step 2. Using the messenger client script. So as I mentioned already, anyone who wants to use this app need to have Python 2.7 installed on their computer. If you don't have Python already installed, don't worry, it only takes a minute to install it. Go to python.org/downloads and download the Python 2.7 version for your operating system. Once the download is done, run the installer and install Python. Once Python is installed, you also need pip. To install pip on your computer, follow the same process which you followed to install pip on your virtual machine instance. Now it's time to install the additional modules for the messenger client script. Go back to the README file on GitHub and you can see the installation instructions depending on your operating system. Since I'm on Windows, I need to install two additional modules named PyCrypto and Keyboard. I will execute each command given there one by one. Follow the instructions depending upon your operating system. Now you're ready to use the application. Just type python messenger_client.py followed by the external IP of your VM instance. Your external IP can be found on the VM instances page on your Google Cloud account. That's it! You are successfully connected to the Messenger server. You can upload the script files inside the messenger_client folder along with your server IP address and ask people to join your Messenger by using this script and the IP. It's as simple as that. They just need to have Python installed on their computer. Alright, let me test it. On the left side, I'm using this application from my Mac, and on the right side, I'm using it on Windows. On my Mac, I logged in to the account that has the name Alice, and on the right side, I logged in to my account that has the name Bob.